Hey y'all, it's Tajalea. Welcome back to my channel. If you're a subscriber, you already know my hair gets pretty dry and stiff towards the end of the week, but I can always revive it. This time I did a wash and go, and I only used one product. So I'm first going to take it back to show you what I use to wash and condition my hair before styling. I'm first going to shampoo my hair using Dare Care Fresh Mint Shampoo. The first thing you'll notice is the peppermint smell. The shampoo does have peppermint oil and tea tree oil in it. Two oils we know that work really well on the scalp. So while you're cleaning your scalp, you're also stimulating the scalp and hair follicles. The second thing you'll notice when applying this is how rich this lather is. The lather of the shampoo felt so good on my hair, and I would just describe it as really foamy. It feels really good as you're applying it to your hair. Okay, so once I'm done with shampooing my hair, I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out. This is a clarifying shampoo, so it's going to remove heavy buildup and oils, and I did recognize that as I rinse it out. So while I'm separating my hair, I'm trying to be very careful because my hair does have like that squeaky clean feeling to it. So let me know it cleaned it really well, but you also want to be careful because in this state your hair is pretty dry. So I'm going to follow with their Dare Care Fresh Mint Conditioner. This will help me to restore moisture enough so that I can detangle my hair. So I'm never generous with conditioner. I put as much as I can to make sure I'm able to detangle this with a lot of slip. But I was mistaken. You really don't need a lot. Just pay attention to the more I kind of rub my hands down my strands, it looks like more product is getting on my hair. As far as detangling my hair, this conditioner did really well in making that easy for me. I was able to easily get my ends detangled and work my way up to the roots because, like I said, the more you rub and touch your hair with this product in it, it seems like more product gets on it. So there's a lot of slip that comes with this conditioner, and the texture of it as it kind of builds up, it's like a foamy texture. So I kind of skipped through, and now you can kind of see how much product is getting on my hands. I haven't added more. It's just looking like it's more the more I brush my hair stuff in. Like, just look at all the product. It's so much slip. I finished detangling this last section. Again, the main takeaways with this conditioner: you don't need to use a lot. Save your money by starting off with a little. It will accumulate on its own. It's a thick, foamy texture, and it has a lot of slip. So look at all the product. That's because I overestimated how much I needed. Now I'm going to deep condition my hair. Since I did clarify it, I want to make sure all the moisture is restored. So I'm using the Dare Care Coconut a la Mode Hair Milk. This product is the first one of theirs that I used. It didn't have the peppermint smell. It has a soft scent, I would say. No strong smell, no strong mint smell. If I would describe the feel, it is a smooth application. So it's not very thick. It's pretty thin and has a lot of slip. It's like a watery slip to it. That's the best that I can describe it. So I hope that makes sense. But I love the application feel of it, and I just easily brush through all the product to make sure it's on every strand. And then I'm going to twist this section up, move on to the next ones. And once I'm done, I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it out. So now my hair is all rinsed out. It's clean, conditioned. It has absolutely no product in it, but I noticed with this product line, my hair actually has a lot of definition already for no product. And I'm just brushing it for no absolute reason other than to show you like how good my hair looks and feels after using this product line. Felt like it had a lot of moisture and water retained in it, although it had no product on it. Usually I wouldn't brush it unless I had conditioner, the leave-in conditioner already, but this is just water, and my hair is so defined, has so much bounce in it. Okay, so now for the part that I know y'all have been waiting on, the one product wash and go. Again, my hair is completely naked, has nothing on it. I'm going to start in this back section and use the Dare Care Got Me Jelly Frizz Resistant Curl Tamer to define my curls. This is the only product I'm about to apply to my hair. Now, usually if you're a subscriber, you already know I usually do a leave-in conditioner, a little oil, and then the curl definer. But this time I'm just applying this curl definer straight to my naked hair. This has a lot of slip. It's not sticky or anything like gels and stuff usually are. After raking it through with just my fingers, my coils are instantly clumped and more defined. So I could stop at just raking it, but the way I do my wash and go is I like to brush it through and shingle it also, just to make sure that each coil is even more defined. And I'm going to do this all over my head until it's done and show you the finished product. But I also want to say it is a pretty light curl definer in thickness and consistency. It's not thick at all, it's thin, but it does really well at defining the coil. quickly, I want to show you side by side how my hair would dry if I did not define and moisturize it versus how it is drying with just this definer on it. So I did the same thing all over my head, brushing this one product through, shingling my hair, and that's it. Literally just this one product, a brush, and your fingers is all you need. And this was my finished result. My hair is wet right here. I don't think the one product sped up dry time, sadly, but as far as holding the coils over multiple days, my wash and go lasted so long. But so far, this is day one, super defined, shiny, moisturized looking curls with this one product that I used. However, I did enjoy and recommend the whole line because I think it set me up for this one product wash and go. But this is day 5 right here. Coil's still pretty much intact. My hair stayed soft and moisturized. It didn't feel dry from not using a leave-in. But that's pretty much it. I stretched my hair. If you want to know how I did that, make sure you catch the next video. But you have to be subscribed, like down below. And I'll see you in my next video.